Ukertong ke United Democratic Party ba Senshar Roy ku parling dot thaba ula Shajid ku mu MLA ba thamai ka soyong hadin ba ula laban penlim no ya MLA ba rem ba samnen mangyang hadu lai hajar saus pa artho arvot uba Senshar ula yo ban khur hadu khandri hajar henry spa nyopu khandai vote kat ba ukertong ke NPP pan ula yo khat lai hajar arspa san punya vote pat se ukertong kongres ba Osborne Karjana daki shi hajar henyo spa Hendri puar votes. Hak juga puar ukertong ke BJP ulayo saupo vote, HSPDP Hendri puar, baru ukertong ke TMC pan daki prapo khandai vote. Hagani kalenti bamenta ulayo bantam yalai vote ki kertong namar ulayo hadu arspa nyo puar vote. Mentar ka jing job jung ba Senshar ka jing bun ki MLA ke UDP kala poe jika khat ar vote hayi norbar thau an ka jela.
Starting star Thaba with 3030. Shri Senshar Kupar Roy Lindo Thaba with 5970.
Imahel at Tribun. Kikam kimati jang i babon po so yung konsulsi. I am a continuation of his work kumala juang ni. So ngan le kat bangala mandor penting bahabri susu ya so yung konsulsi.
So now you will repair the damage that has been done, like your uncle has done.
Yeah, obviously. It's been a drought in the last 5 years. I think from today onwards, I think starts a new era. So your constituency. Upgrade all educational institution. That is my first priority. So kwa gibriya bikin dan lagi drop out. Unjur kumnoban upgrade the education system for saya constituency. That is a priority. Kajingi jo pajba I mahe takacaka jongi nami mangate. So pajba kadan kasembati buat.